Topic 19-4, Stem and Leaf Plots. Essential question, how can you make and use a stem and leaf plot? Presented by your lovely teacher, Ms. Villaseñor. Okay, let's start with what is a stem and leaf plot? Well, it uses a place value to be able to show individual values, and I will show you an example right now. Okay, so in your book you have this data that has the cost of jeans, and you see the information here. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a stem and leaf plot that has, we'll use the title. Well, here's what we call the stem, and on this side is what we call leaves. And we're going to state the title of this information, which we said was the cost of jeans. And so we're going to get the information of from the data and put it in this plot. Oh, sorry, this pen's not working too good. Okay, here we go. So we're going to put these numbers here into the stem and leaf plot. And so you notice that, we have the title. Now we're going to write the actual numbers here. So if we have, we'll start with the number 25. So in the stem, you start off with like the values of 0 and the values of 1, which represent more like tens, and then 20s, 30, 40s. So on here we'll start with 25. So this would be, you would place it here under the 2's, right? So the 25, and then the next number we have here is 20, and then 27. Then we list the 7 here to represent 20 and the 7. And then the next number we have 32, so we have the 3 here, which represent in the 30s, so then 32. Then we have 40, so we put a 0 there to represent 40. Then we have 29, so back in the 2's, 34, put the 4 there, 36, another 40, so we put another 0 there. And then we have the 8, so the value 8 would go under here, and then 33 here. Okay, so you will see though that I notice here is not in order, so I'm going to rewrite these in order, because the 3 is over here, so we want to put like 32, then we want to state 33. So let me erase this category here and put it in numerical order. And again, we have the 32 here represented, the 33, 34, and 36. Okay, so in doing this, in other words, I want you to understand that, let me change colors here, red. I want you to understand, like, here's a little key, if you want to write this on your notes. In other words, when you see the 3 and a 2 here, what does that represent? It would represent 32. It means 32. Okay, so that's just one example to kind of help you read the stem and leaf plot. Okay, so this again would be 40, this is 32, 25, and then this would be 8. Okay, then they're going to ask you what is the median, but based on the stem and leaf plot. So you want to count how many values do you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 set of numbers, right? And so what's in the middle of 10? It would be 5, so it's going to be the 5th number, which is going to be in between 32 and 33. And what's between 32 and 33? It would be 32.5 or 32.0. The other question they're going to ask you is the mode, and remember the mode means which one repeats, and you can see the double 0 here, so you know that 40 would be your mode. Okay, that concludes this lesson. So you can use the stem and leaf plot data from a table, and then you can use the plot to find the median and the mode.